How to remove a website domain in Godaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into Godaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel settings page. Next in this page, we need to click and enter the domain section. Here we're on the domain screen. In this example, I'm going to remove this domain, so we will need to click the Manage button in the same row as the website domain. And in this page, we need to click the Remove Domain button. A confirmation will appear, just to make sure you really want to remove the domain. To continue, click the Remove This Domain button. And that's it. And that's how you can easily remove a website domain in Godaddy cPanel. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.